Hello, iedereen, allemaal, jongens. Happy Christmas Eve. It is December 24th, and here we are getting back into Christmas. Blast from the Past, a Christmas Past was Pat McGrath of the Celestial Nirvana. Today and tomorrow for Christmas, we are getting into the Reds in conjunction with the beautiful Sunlit Seduction. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Let's see if I could actually do this. Here we go. Sunlit Seduction with that. I mean, now comparing it to this looks a lot more mauve-y. Without further ado, let me prep my eyes with the Pro Filt'r Eyeshadow Primer from Fenty Beauty, and we'll get into this tutorial. Tomorrow's Christmas. On a side note though, 24 and 25, I'm so surprised that I got it this far, to be quite honest. But taking a break, because I did 23 tutorials with this one, if I remember correctly. It's in my playlist somewhere. Looking at this now again, I'm loving it. I really, really am loving it. I know in the video, I think when I got to 23, I was like over it. But taking a break from it, coming back to it now, I adore this. This is so cute. She's spunky. Let me prep my eyes and we'll get into this tutorial. Eyes are prepped with the Pro Filt'r Eyeshadow Primer. First and foremost, let us go into a Venusian Peony. And we're gonna put that right into the crease. And as usual, I do not know what I want to do. So, let us get this in. Oof. Oh! This does something to me already. Oh. I love how this translates like bubble pop pink, but then it comes onto the eye not so bubble pop pink. I think today I want to do something with Starlit Copper in one of the Astral shades as I dip into it on accident. 24, y'all, Christmas Eve. We've gotten this far. This journey has been quite journeysome. But even with 25 tutorials, like I barely made a dent in any of these. So as far as longevity, these will last quite some time, that is for sure. 2026 is 2025, wow. I cannot believe that just happened. I completely forgot what year it was. Anyways, here we are, into Christmas. But I think for the most part, this is such a essential, colorful palette to the portfolio of Pat McGrath, most definitely, for sure. But I'm curious as to what the new, if there will be a new Mothership next year. Because they are, what, 13? I would love it if they would do a purple, a violet Mothership palette, and I think they should just end it at that. Or if they end at Mothership 15 and they start a new era, it'd be quite interesting. Next, gonna go into Auburn Allure and really put that more into the crease to add a little bit more of that depth. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. 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 Yeah, now we're talking. She's crimes. And make them look like twins. I have to admit though, I think on this spectrum of the warm, I do love this Auburn Allure. This just gives a little something saucy and sexy for a warm shade, to be quite honest. And I still stand, even at 24 tutorials, these need to become singles. All the Mega Mothership should just become singles. But here we are. This is just so pretty. That definition it adds is so gorgeous. Ooh, ooh, child. Now for Starlit Copper. I mean, to be honest, there's a lot of copper shades within the portfolio of Pat McGrath, but they are all so uniquely beautiful. Oh my god. My god, Pat McGrath. This is gorgeous. This is iconic. Oh. Starlit Copper. I mean, even the copper in this, I think, was a little bit more peachier. And the Starlit Copper here is a lot more darker. You know. Now, next I'm gonna go into this one. I'll put it here as usual. That last segment just needed a moment of silence because that is just dazzling. My word. Going in with my liner brush into the Auburn Allure just to create a little wing, just a little one, Klein Beige. Just een beetje. Dat is alles. Dat is alles jij niet te doen. Dat is alles ik wil doen. Ik doe. I hope I said that right. Or do I need to say ik doe het wel? My Dutch is coming in hot. So. Just klein beetje. Just een beetje. Just beige. This is ooh. Because for 20, okay, here we go. 2026. I do not want to buy any more eyeshadow palettes. I have more than enough. I want to focus more on complexion and start to go through all the palettes I have. And the palettes I want to get rid of. Just so I can officially say I played with it and get rid of it, most likely. Maybe. Or I play with it and I keep it. Look at that. That's Now for the brow bone highlight, Golden Angelica. Oh, this is also beautiful gold. Tutorial 24. Happiest of Christmas Eves. En morgen, het is Kerstmis. Christmas man. Ho, ho, ho. But yes, 24. Oh my God. Which means we have one more to go. But without further ado, I'm do the rest of my face. And you guys will see the final look in a moment. Here is the final look of the tutorial 24 Christmas Eve 25 days of Christmas Pass. Blast from the Past, a Christmas Pass with Pat McGrath, Celestial Odyssey 24. This is gorgeous. I know I say I do not like warms. I hate warms, but this one I do love. This is like a sangria sunset. Tomorrow's Christmas, y'all, the last look. Without further ado, product breakdown. So, primer is obviously still the Milk Luminous Blur Stick Primer. Under eye correctors, still the Guerlain Precious Lights and the Vanish Medium 2 from Char. Under eye setting is still Meteorites. Concealer 8.5 medium, and I think tomorrow is gonna be the last time I'm going to use it. I'm gonna get rid of it because I'm not gonna lie, this with the foundation, they definitely coincide together. They have that luminous, luscious, well kept, hydromerrated skin look effect to it, which I love. But I need to move on. I need to downsize what I use for my kit and on myself. Foundation 8 warm, obviously. Yeah. Blush, bronzer, Bronze Nirvana. And blush is a combination of the Sunset Bloom with the Lotus Nectar. So these two mixed together. Really, really loved it. Bam! Loved it. Brows are still benefit. Lips. I figured why not. I went back to the, what is this? Mademoiselle Push. I need my glasses, Jesus. Push matte lipstick, and Griselda is what I have on. I love a good vamp. I love a good vamp. And the thing I love about these is that the way they are constructed, you can really use this end for more of a liner. And then you just go in and just fill in with the other side, which is quite nice. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. And on top of that, Opulous Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar from Pat McGrath. And I think tomorrow is actually going to be the last time I'm going to use that as well, because she is done. She has served her purpose. And like I said, this is still September when you guys are seeing this, but Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's. I probably most likely got a lip gloss kit or something. So you will be seeing that new one soon. I don't know if I still want to go with Pat McGrath though, because I am curious also about the NARS. I love this lip. I love the look. I love the lip. I love it all. 25, Morja. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Happy holidays. And I hope you guys are enjoying this. Look at that. It's like wet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I need to enjoy this.